this video, we want to show you how different users from different universities can collaborate together in the platform. Specifically, show you the logic of post-award stage. There are two main focuses that we want to demonstrate. First, the transparency of the project progress across different university and all user roles. Second, the iteration of submitting, editing, collaborating, commenting, and approving a contract. Here we have two screens. The left one is the director perspective from USYD, and the right hand side is the researcher perspective from UTS. Now we can see that the application of the project is completed, and now the contract is under approving stage. You can see all the approval status are not started. Now we log in as an approver from UC. I can see all the tasks assigned to me. I can see the task heat conductivity requires me to take action, so I quickly look through the application and click Agree. Then I switch the approver's perspective from UDS, refresh and see the status of Team Bobby is approved now. Also, the status from UCIT perspective got updated when I refresh. Now I log in as approver from UDS and see whether my actions will affect the overall application status. I click on the Contract tab, the project heat conductivity disagreed. Now I turn to use it, refresh and see that the overall contract status is now to be modified. The approver still rejected the contract. The status is also get updated across different collaborators' view, no matter which university they're from or what roles they are. If someone suggests modify to the contract, it will also be recorded and opened to anyone. So different colors have different meanings. Gray means not started, yellow means suggest modify, red means reject, and green means agree. I click on the contract button to see the detailed information of the contract and what comments the collaborators left. Mike suggested modify to the contract and said, I don't like the title. We can also see the comments of collaborators. So I click on the edit button since I have edit permission. Quickly change some format and click on save and submit button. Also I leave a comment to tell others that I changed the title. Now I turn to the approver's perspective from UDS and see what changes are made. We can see that the contract status is reset. Now they need to carefully review the new contract and take action again. Here we can see that Jim left a comment and said he changed the title. I click on the edit button, then the history button at the top right corner. I switch between the last two versions and see the changes on the contract. Yeah, it's okay for me as a contract collaborator. Now let's see how approvers respond to the new contract. They all agree on the new contract now. Finally, the contract status is completed when all of them agree. Since the application and contract are finished, no one can edit or modify them